jungle king with the mighty voice that makes us sing. Roar, roar, big and loud, come join the animal crowd. It's the Animal Parade, come along and play with the birds and the bees and the horses that neigh. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, let's meet the animals, they're so neat. The elephant swings his trunk so high, with ears so big he touches the sky. Stomp, stomp, he's strong and tall, marching proudly, hear his call. Oh, it's the monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing loud, so wild and free. Ooh, ooh, ah, he loves to play, jumping around all day. The birds go tweet, the frogs go ribbit, all the animals have their spirit, from the oceans to the sky. Come on kids, let's give it a try. Ooh, tweet, tweet, ribbit, ribbit, roar!